Stop saying we need to talk. We all know that listening in a conversation is as important as talking, if not more important. But still, couples continue to say we need to talk, placing all of the emphasis on talking. Perhaps that is the reason why so many couples end up talking, both of them trying to be heard at the same time, but no one is really listening. They're actually doing exactly what they set out to do, which is to talk, but they're not really achieving anything. We have an alternative. Try this instead. We need a listen conversation. Now you're placing the emphasis on listening, which is really the key to successful conversations. Now, instead of two people talking, you have two people taking turns in asking listen questions in order to ensure that they both feel heard at the end of the conversation. It is a proven winning approach to conversations. More about all of this on our website, but for today, that is all. Remember, in healthy relationships, it is all about connection.